Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the light bulb in the third brake light right here on a Honda Civic generation from 2006 all the way until 2011. And it will be even the same for the one after that. So what you need to do, most of the Civics do not come with a cover right here underneath. We've seen some, I don't know if they're aftermarket ones or not, but this one doesn't. And you can reach the third brake light from right here. Okay, as you can see, that's the middle of the car. So you need to unplug the wire, you press down and pull, and then you turn left counterclockwise about 30 degrees. And the light bulb comes out of there. Now you need to grab it with your fingers and you just pull it out. Sometimes they're stuck pretty good. Okay, now the new light bulb, you just push it in like that until it clicks. Okay, right there. And now you can just go ahead, install it in the slots and turn to the right this time clockwise about 30 degrees until it's straight like that and push the wire. And now let's see if the brake works. Okay guys, and as you can see, it works now. So that's how you do it. Thank you guys for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.